of the accused in this juvenile Porsche crash case. Prashant Patil, let me begin by asking you, this is a huge setback because the bail that was granted by the JJB has now been modified and the accused is now being sent to a juvenile observation home.
See, it's a matter of interpretation. What do we call as a quote-unquote setback? According to us, the 19th May 2024 order has been modified, wherein the child in conflict in law, the CCL, was allowed to go back to his residence, has now been directed to stay at a rehabilitation home. The particular application that was moved by the investigating agencies, that was the purpose was this particular child in conflict with law, if he stays outside, there was a threat to his security. So for his own safety, he was directed to stay at a particular detention home.
No, but Mr. Patil, this is fine. I mean, you're a lawyer for the accused. That is fine, you saying this. But at the end of the day, the kind of bail conditions that have been given for someone, even though a juvenile who has killed two young individuals, snuffed out their lives due to highly irresponsible acts like underage drinking, underage driving, and the Juvenile Justice Board says write a 300-word essay. I mean, there has to be some concept of proportionality. It shocked the entire nation.
Sir, can I speak now? So that particular order today has been set aside. I am not the spokesperson for that particular order. All that I can tell you what happened today before the Honorable Juvenile Justice Board, because I'm still at the court right now as we speak, was that particular order of 19th May 2024 was modified, and there are certain directions given for this particular child in conflict with law to stay at a rehabilitation home. We have not yet received the entire order. Only the operative part of the order was announced today. What are the parameters laid down by the Honorable Court, we'll only come to know by tomorrow.
Yeah, but then it is a setback, Mr. Patil, because at the end of the day, bail was granted in 15 hours, shockingly, and now that bail has been cancelled. The person is no longer out on bail.
Technically, the bail has not been cancelled. For cancellation of bail, there has to be an application under section 439 subclause 2 of CRPC. I don't want to sound technical. Cancellation of bail has a different connotation. Modification of bail is a completely different connotation. As on today, there are directions for this particular child in conflict in law to stay at a rehabilitation home.
Mr. Prashant Patil,